Hi guys, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Okay guys, this is the continuation of my last previous video about Port Harcourt Road in Aba University, the ongoing Six Rail project in Aba by Julius Berger. So my previous video, I told you guys I'm going to post the part 2 of this video because I don't want the video to take too long, and that is what I'm doing. So right now in this video, I'm going to show you guys what Julius Berger is doing so far on this project. So what I see right now is the last part of this project. Remember, I told you guys that this project is being divided into three places: the first stage, the second stage, and the last stage. So what I see right now is the third part, which is the final part of the project. I'm going to show you guys the second part. The second part is now at the finishing point. They are turning it up already. So right now, Julius Berger is using whatever they have to push the project because they don't have time anymore. So what I see right now is the second part. One part of the second part is now completed. They are now at the other part of the road. You can see. So what I'm showing you guys is the second part of the project. One side of it being completed. They have started up already. You can see. So I'm now moving to the first part. So where this second part stop, I mean where they start starting this second part is from Crystal Park. If you know Crystal Park in Port Harcourt Road, that's where they start the second part. So right now, Jessica is working 247 on this road, on this project to make it to move more faster. So right now, if you come to this place from the first part to the finishing point of this project, you're going to see workers all over the place trying to do one or two things to push this work forward. So Jessica is trying their best. You can see, you see their vehicle moving up and down on every part of this project. Just to show you guys how serious they are on this project. So if you come to this place, you're going to see their machines all over the places with workers trying to fix one or two things. So very soon they will start fixing the street light on this road. So the Dasabaka is doing a very wonderful work. I want to say thank you to our governor who decided to build to work this road to make this place a better place to live, because if you come to this place before, if you know this place before, you know that this place is a very big mess. So look at how beautiful and how bright everywhere is. That's just the handwork of a good governor who decided to do his work. So what you are seeing right now is the second part of this project. I'm trying to move to Crystal Park to show you guys what they are doing. So if you check right now on the other side, you see that they are working. They're trying to start the other side up, just like the first part I'm driving right now. That is the work of our governor and the handwork of Julius Berger. So I'm just trying to plead with our governor to give Julius Berger more road contract in Aba, because if you have like 5 to 6 road built on this standard, I think that Aba is going to count as the best city with a quality road. Because right now this road is going to be one of the best road, let me say the best road ever built in Aba, and this particular 6 rail is going to beat the one at Omar here, because the standard I'm seeing right now is better than that one at Omar here. So I think that Jesus Berger have done a very wonderful and a massive quality work here. So I'm going to show you guys around like I used to do on my previous videos to show you guys the working part, what they have done so far on this project. On my last video, I show you guys the finishing point at Ology. So if you're a first timer on this channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more updates. You can also check my previous videos about this project and other projects. So I'm going to show you guys more updates of so many projects in Aba Emba City, not only in Aba, outside Aba, and also outside Nigeria. So right now, this is where they stopped. You can see from here is the last part. From here, you're heading to Aloji. This is where they stop, which is the second part of the project. You can see. So right now, from Crystal Park, they're going to turn the road to this point, to this place, and that will be the final point of the second part. And they will now move all their machines to the last part, which is where I showed you guys now. So this is where the second part stops, as you can see. So like I said before, from Crystal Park, they're going to stop at this point. I'm going to show you guys around like I used to do on my previous videos to show you guys what they are doing, the working part of this project. Like I said before, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave, because I have so many interesting videos to show you guys, so many projects to explore, so many cities to explore on this channel. So if you're first time, make sure you subscribe for more updates of this project, other projects in Aba, outside Aba, and also outside Nigeria. So I want to know what you think on the comment section. Tell me what you think. So for me, if you ask me, I say that our governor should give Julius Berger more contracts, because I would like to have something like this, more road built on this standard in Aba. I'm sure it's going to make Aba one of the best city with best road in the whole Nigeria, because what I'm seeing right now is a very massive and first time in Aba Imbo City. So before we leave, make sure to subscribe like I said before. And I want to say thank you to our governor who decided to build this road to make this place a better place to live, because this particular place is one of the worst place to live in Aba. But right now, it is going to turn to be one of the best roads in Aba, and it is going to bring more development in Aba University. So, guys, stay with me to the end of the video. Don't go anywhere.